Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome back to this week's portfolio update. I want to bring up something. Now, in the background, you can look at the portfolio and see where all the positions are. But anyways, what I want to talk about comes in the light of everything we've learned over the past couple of weeks about our favorite stock YouTubers and all that stuff and all the holes in their armor. And I kind of want to talk about where I want to continue to put my money. And this might be me growing as an investor and blah, blah, blah. And maybe I'm just getting a little old, but I'm kind of tired of that, you know? And so what I'm thinking of doing is taking these investments, now, not all of them, because let me point out that I still believe in investing in individual stocks. I mean, I do enjoy capitalism and being involved in a company's success or failure and profiting financially off of that. I do believe in that. But I've also said long ago, many videos ago, that I think that ETFs are the best way to invest for most people. And that includes me. And I've been taking steps into funneling more and more of my positions in the ETF, in ETFs, which is, namely SCHD. That's what I've been doing roughly this whole time. And my next move is to funnel these stocks into an ETF. I've been thinking, so I took a look at VOO, which is probably where I want to put my money. I want to put my money into an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Now, that is not the most glamorous stock of all time. That's not going to give me a lot of YouTube views, but I think someone has to, take more of a responsible stand as to what's right instead of tattooed chef and this is the hot stock and blah, blah, blah. I did take a look at the Fidelity ETFs, and while I do appreciate all the different options and all the different colors and stuff, I want something a little bit more, I would say, old school. And so, while, I'm not done looking through these Fidelity ETFs, I'm probably going to go with the VOO. So, how am I going to do this? Well, I don't quite know yet fully, but I have an idea. Because I don't want to sell out of all these positions yet while they're down so much. I don't think that would be a very good idea. But I also want to take advantage of buying the VOO while it's at the lower end of the 52-week range. So I'm thinking of starting a new position, VOO, and start putting money into that. Now, I'm going to leave the rest of these positions untouched. Now, as far as individual stocks, like I said earlier, I'm going to keep investing in individual stocks. That's not something I want to get rid of entirely. I want to keep a few positions around. Notably, I want to keep Google around, and I still want to get this to 5 figures invested. I want to keep Meta around. I still want to get to 5 figures invested. I'll probably keep AT&T around, and I'll keep that where it is and put money as I see fit into it. And I want to keep 1 or 2 spec stocks around. Probably Gevo, because I know. It's not a popular stock. It's not a popular YouTube stock, but it is a company I do believe in. You may not, but I do. That being said, I'm not going to put any more money into the stock. The last investment I made was in June, and I have no plans of putting more money into Gevo. My position is built. I will ride it whether it succeeds or fails. And basically, as far as these other positions, how I will do it is I will wait, and as these positions become profitable enough to I feel comfortable selling, I will sell and I will put the money into VOO. I think that's how I'm going to do things. That's how I want to end up. As far as the steps in between, it'll probably get a little bit messy, but we'll see how it works out. So yeah, a bit messy, but at least I know where I'm going. If you guys have a better ETF for me to look into than VOO, let me know in the comments. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.